Hormone Therapy 101, in-depth look at hormone replacement therapy for men and women. Welcome back to Golden Rose Wellness and Medspa YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into an important topic, hormone replacement therapy or HRT for both men and women. Whether you're dealing with fatigue, weight gain, or mood swing, this video will explain how HRT can help you. So what is hormone replacement therapy? HRT is a treatment that helps restore your body's natural hormone levels, which decline as we age. This can include testosterone for men or progesterone for women. So what are the symptoms of hormonal imbalance? For men, low testosterone can lead to fatigue, lost muscle mass, and decreased libido. For women, estrogen loss can cause mood swing, hot flashes, and weight gain. How HRT works? So HRT comes in many forms: creams, patches, and injections. At Golden Rose Wellness Medspa, we tailor your HRT treatment to your specific needs based on a thorough blood analysis. So what are the benefits of HRT? HRT has a wide range of benefits. It can improve energy levels, reduce body fat, increase muscle mass, and improve mood and mental clarity. What are the risks and side effects? As with any medical treatment, there are potential side effects. These can include minor fluid retention, headaches, and changes in mood. But with careful monitoring, these are easily managed. So if you think hormone replacement therapy could be the solution to your symptoms, let's schedule a consultation at Golden Rose Wellness and Medspa, and we'll guide you throughout the whole process to keep you feel like yourself again. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and follow us for more educational content on anti-aging, wellness, and more.